Good morning, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Bulgaria. What in the world? I didn't even realize I'd ordered something from Bulgaria. It's either from Amazon or from Etsy. I don't usually pay attention unless the shipping is outrageous for some reason, and then I'll look and say, oh gosh, no wonder. Oh, yay, I'm excited. I'd forgotten about this. So this was from Etsy, I think. I remember ordering it now, but I don't remember where I ordered it from. And I know you guys are surprised that it is some yarn, but it is Etsy. So it is Etsy shop. I think I did it from Colorific Things now that I'm looking at it. All the best. And I was looking for some yarn to put with a different color. And so I was originally looking for something like this, like some fur, because I wanted to do it. I'm trying to work on some Santas I'm thinking of, and I thought that this might make some cute beard, and it may. It's actually pretty cute. And it was very inexpensive, guys. I don't remember exactly how much, and it didn't take that long to ship. Like actually it looks like I ordered it on the 31st of August, and today is oh, I don't know what day, but it's like 2 weeks to get from Bulgaria. So, and I did realize it was coming from overseas, but I didn't realize from where exactly. But oh my goodness, this is so sparkly and pretty. Now we do sell stuff like this here. I mean, I can get something like this, but I don't know, this caught my eye and it was the right price, so I got it. And then I also got these. These were in there, and these are from Brocat. Oh, let's see, it says, looks like it says to use a 3.5 to 5 size needle, or maybe it says 3.5 millimeter. I don't know. I'll have to get some magnifier to read it because it's too small. But anyway, look at how pretty that is. It is so sparkly. I just thought it might be fun to have, and it was very inexpensive, and I thought for the price I wanted to get it. Now I don't know what it's made of. It doesn't feel like yarn exactly. It almost feels, ooh, do I dare say, plasticky. I'm not sure you'd want to like make a sweater or anything out of it. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't, but I think to add it to something, it would be fine, especially if you're adding it to a craft. If you were adding it to a sweater, maybe if you had a bulky yarn to mix with it or something like that, it might be all right. I don't know. You just have to experiment and check, but it's very, very pretty. I love the iridescence, and if you were just using it as a highlight for something, I could totally see how it would be fine. And I got 2 of them just because they were so inexpensive, and I thought that they were kind of neat. So yeah, and I'm glad I did. I think I will use them. I'm not sure exactly how yet, but very pretty. So that is my haul from all the way from Bulgaria. Isn't that awesome that you can purchase things like that from all these other places? I'll leave that like that so you guys can see. But yeah, check it out. See what you think. Maybe you'll find something that you can't live without. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.